Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. You are watching the Coin Monitor. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower on Wednesday as investors turned cautious ahead of the FOMC minute release while tighter global liquidity conditions applied pressure. Bitcoin dropped below the crucial $31,000 levels. IC 15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.1% at 40,340 points. Meanwhile, the investor focus has now shifted on minutes of the Fed's June meeting for more cues on the path of US interest rates. Though the central bank had kept rates on hold last month, it has flagged at least 2 more hikes this year, given that inflation remains elevated. Simultaneously, of late, the widely tracked fiat liquidity metrics such as Fed Net Liquidity Indicator and the Global Net Liquidity Indicator have turned unfavorable. Hence, analysts believe that it would be unusual for BTC to be constructive. Both liquidity measures are likely to decline further in coming weeks. Elsewhere, the supply of Bitcoin and Ether on exchanges fell in June as ramped-up regulation and crime persuaded holders to prefer self-custody, Goldman Sachs said in a report Tuesday, citing on-chain data. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.21 trillion mark as it gained as much as 0.6% in the last 24 hours. Total trading volumes increased about 16% to $36.8 billion. According to data from Glassnode, Ethereum staking spiked as the number of deposits on the Ethereum staking contracts increased as compared to the withdrawals. However, ETH staking deposit transaction recorded a new high as the network witnessed 14,000 new ETH deposits comprising almost 410,000 ETH. The Compound Protocol's governance token recorded a tremendous increase in value over the last week, putting itself as one of the top gainers in the cryptocurrency market, rising by an astonishing 33%. US stock futures fell as Wall Street resumed a holiday shortened week. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell by 93 points or 0.3%. S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures dipped 0.3% and 0.4% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $30,527, down 1.7%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 2.3%, trading at $1,913. On my left, BNB was down by 3% to trade at $238. Solana Sol was down 2.3% and was trading at $18.7. Next on the list is Cardano's ADA token, which was down by 3% to trade at $0.28. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12.7, lower 3.8%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.8% to trade at $0.68. Talking about Doge, the popular meme coin, it was trading down by 2% to at $0.066. Shiba Inu was trading down by 2.3%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.47, down by 2.5%. And Polkadot was down by 4.3% to trade at $5.2. And now let's move to our technical analyst to know his views on the overall cryptocurrency market.
Talking about the largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is currently in a consolidation range between $31,000 and $31,500. As we know that bulls are trying to gain momentum to the upside, but the main resistance area is still at $31,800. Well, if Bitcoin can break this resistance area, it could signal a bullish breakout. However, if Bitcoin fails to break through the resistance area, it could continue to consolidate or even fall back to the lower levels.
Well, that's all in the Coin Monitor. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such market-related updates, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. With 3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain. Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs. Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.
Meesho intends to stimulate innovations and progress in domains such as generative artificial intelligence and multimodal large language models for future e-commerce sector growth. As part of an industry academia partnership, the e-commerce platform has inked a one-year memorandum of understanding with the Vision and AI Lab of the Indian Institute of Science. Under the terms of agreement, Meesho's data scientists will work with Institute Lab experts to focus on multimodal representation learning and generative AI capabilities. The goal is to have a significant impact on the e-commerce business by improving the e-commerce experience for users. The collaborators also hope that this will result in the publication of research articles as well as maintaining Meesho at the forefront of the rising e-commerce rivalry. In June, the company announced plans to quadruple its investment in AI and machine learning, citing the rising integration of both technologies across industries. On the online learning platform Coursera, IIT Guwahati will introduce an online Bachelor of Science degree program in data science and artificial intelligence. Applications for the BSc Honours in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence degree will open on July 19, 2023, with classes beginning in October 2023. To follow NEP 2020 guidelines, IIT Guwahati is expanding access to the whole online degree curriculum through multiple entry channels. Anyone who has completed class 12 or its equivalent, including mathematics as a compulsory subject, is eligible to apply. Those who are eligible and registered for JEE Advanced will be admitted directly, while those who are not will be able to finish an online course and obtain admissions based on their performance. The Uttar Pradesh government has unveiled its ambition to transform key towns into AI and IT centers. The decision follows Prime Minister Narendra Modi's announcement last month from the US that there have been groundbreaking improvements in AI and that India and the US are at the forefront of developments. Lucknow, Kanpur, Gautam Budh Nagar, Varanasi, and Prayagraj are among the cities stated for AI and IT-based transformations. Meanwhile, Lucknow has been designated as India's first AI city as part of an overarching plan to catalyze the 5 cities as future IT and IT-enabled services centers. UP Industrial Development Minister Nand Gopal Gupta Nandi said technology and technology leadership would shape the future world, and UP have taken a giant leap to be a major hub of AI both nationally and globally.